Today we are going to talk about group 0 or noble gases. Okay. What is group 0? Group 0 elements are called noble gases. Okay. They are, all of them are non-metal, and they are on the far right column of the periodic table, the last column. Okay. And they have the full outermost electron shell. Okay. Making them very stable. Okay. And the symbol for them: helium He, neon Ne, argon Ar, krypton Kr, xenon Xe, radon Rn. Electronic configuration is element and outermost shell. Helium has two electrons, so it has first shell full that contain only two electrons. Outermost, this we are talking about the outermost shell electron. Okay, neon has eight electron. All of them. Argon has eight electron. Krypton has eight electron. Xenon has eight electron, and radon has eight electron. And none of them needs to react with anyone. Okay, the physical properties of them are they are colorless. Okay, they are odorless, non-flammable. They cannot burn. They are very unreactive. Okay, inert, and they are the only one that stays in monatomic form. For example, neon can stays like an simple neon. Okay, it has doesn't have to make an bond with any other element. Same is for helium as well. Okay, the noble gases are why they are not reactive, because they have complete outermost shell. Okay, so they don't need to gain electron or lose electron or share electron. Why will you share electron when you have where you are stable? Okay, so trend down the group 0 or noble gases. Boiling point increases as the atomic number increases. Atomic mass will also increase, and that's result in higher melting points. Same is for uh, boiling point and density. Okay, why? Simple. Atom becomes larger, more electrons are present. Strong intermolecular force, van der Waals forces require more energy to overcome. Reactivity: noble gases are very unreactive. Okay, they are also called inner gases. This is because their stable electron arrangement. Noble gases: helium, where they we use noble gases. Helium is used for balloons, airships, cooling, MRI scanner, deep sea diving, gas mixture. Neon is used for advertising sign, decorative lighting. Please remember those things. Those they will ask you where we use noble gases. Argon for light bulbs and for welding. Okay, krypton camera flash lamp and high performance lighting. Xenon is used in car headlights. All of the car headlights, most of them has xenon lamp. Medical lasers, okay, and camera flash. Radon is used for radioactive gases, limited medical and scientific uses. There are some exam type questions that you should know. Why are group 0 elements are unreactive? They have why? Because they have a complete outermost shell, so making them stable, so they don't need to react with anything. What does the boiling point? Why does the boiling point increase down the group? Because larger atom has more electron, leading to stronger van der Waals forces that require more energy to overcome. Why noble gases is used in which noble gas is used in balloon? Helium. Why? Because it is lighter. It just has atomic number of 2. Why noble gas? Which noble gas is being used in advertising sign? Neon, because it's an in unreactive gas. Why is argon used inside the lamp? Because it is unreactive and prevent the hot metal filament from reacting with the oxygen. Okay, if there argon is present, there would be no oxygen. So, due to heat, the metal cannot react with anything.